What is going on, everybody? I know y'all see the hood is up and there's some coolant stuff on the ground. Hopefully you guys just watched that video. That is the how to flush your radiator video. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be fixing some curb rash on these rims. Told y'all actually in yesterday's video, but this is probably me a couple days later. I told y'all that I was going to be fixing the curb rash on these rims and I was going to show you how. So that is what we're going to be jumping into today.
Yeah. You can find me on a cliffside. All they do is overlook me. Yeah, if things don't pan out, keep it cooking. You're not a fan, but you keep on looking. Look, don't be concerned with what people saying. Be concerned when they don't care to say it. Funny how people will act like they know you, but they don't even got a clue what they're saying. Don't compare me to people who don't compare.
Okay, so what you want to start out with is some sandpaper. I got the 80, 180, 400, and 1500 grit. What I'm mainly going to be using is the 400 and the 1500. Once you get it all sanded down and smooth, you want to come in with some Rust-Oleum gloss black, or if it's flat black you can use that, and this little foam sponge brush. It was like a foam sponge brush. It was like 47 cents at Walmart, and that's what we're going to be using today. Now you could go through and tape everything off. You could go through and tape off these little drilled out spots, but I am not going to be doing that. It's far enough away from it where I'm just going to sand this down, and then I'm just going to use my painting skills to paint over it. So let's get to sanding. Right here we have our 400. Trying to give you boys a close shot. Once you get this sanded down some more, it's not perfect. You could go more. I don't feel like going more. I feel like just go ahead and painting it. I'm gonna crack open your paint jar. Alright, so now I'm gonna set the actual paint over to the side. What I'm going to be using is the cap that is covered in paint. So you wanna get your paintbrush. So, dab action right there. I'm gonna come through. Okay, now that this rim has dried, you can still see a couple spots where the light hits it differently. You can see this curb right here, and you're back over here just as the light hits it differently right there. But I mean, that literally cost me, I'm gonna say like $6. Fix your curb rash for $6, guys. Now I did this rim, and I did this rim already. So you can't even tell on this rim where anything was curbed, and this is one of the bad ones. So I'm gonna do all four and I'll show you guys afterwards. And like this, see how you can see the lines from the brush? What you want to do is come through with that 1500 and just lightly sand it, just ever so slightly. And it'll take all those lines out and make it smooth and shiny. There you go, guys. So I'm gonna wait for everything to dry. I'm gonna do all the other ones. I'll show you guys after. Brown chicken, brown cow. All right, we're done, y'all. I just finished up doing all the rims. Now the thing with painting it, I told y'all could sand it down with 1500 grit sandpaper, but I tried that and tried it on here, and I'm not afraid to show y'all when I fail. You guys see all the lines in this? It's very reflective. It looks like normal paint, but it's got lines from that brush. Wait, give it about 24 hours to 48 hours to fully harden and dry, and then you can go through and try sanding it. I just tried 1500 grit sanding it, and I tried compounding it, and it wasn't completely dry yet, so it just peeled right off, and I had to go back over it and try it again. But all of the rims are now curb free. They've all been curbed, but can't really tell that much. If you want, you can do multiple coats. I didn't do multiple coats just because I'm not too worried about it. But this was the worst rim. I'll include a picture of it right here. There you go. That's it after. Isn't editing so freaking cool? This is the front rim. Walk around this side. This is that rim that I tried sanding. This is that rim that y'all watched me do. This is me talking to you. Alright, so curb free. They're all fixed. You can do multiple coats. It's up to you. It's really freaking hot in Florida. I've been out here since about 10:30, 11. It's 2:30 now. I'm about to go get some rollers of the truck. If it doesn't rain, weather says it's not gonna rain, but I literally just heard thunder, so hopefully they're gonna get some rollers. Hopefully y'all like this video. Hopefully y'all like the last video and the video before that. Hopefully y'all keep hitting that subscribe button because it's growing. I wanted to have a sticker on the back window to show y'all for the 2-wheel drive gain, but I literally haven't had time to print one out yet. I've been non-stop going and going and going, but I think tomorrow I should be able, oh shit, there's a mating lizard. Look at him. Sorry, I got so distracted. I was sitting there talking to y'all, I saw something moving. But I should have time to do the sticker tomorrow. I'm hoping I do. I should be taking the tires to get balanced either tomorrow or Thursday or Friday, which y'all probably be watching this Friday. So I think that's about it. Yeah, I think that's all. Fix the curb. Showed y'all how to fix the curb. Showed y'all what it looked like after I fixed the curb. Probably gonna show y'all in the next video what it looks like after I hit another curb, because I'm probably gonna hit another one because I'm not very good at avoiding curbs. But dude, the truck looks good. Alright, I'm gonna stop rambling on. Don't really know how long this video is gonna be, but catch y'all on the next one. Don't know what the next video is. Oh, I do know what the next video is gonna be. Probably gonna record that tomorrow. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. We got more videos back to back to back. We did back on top of this. I'm bringing a whole new series to the channel. Y'all be ready.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and to end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to ride for this shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas say that I'm cursed, cause I go to church and stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty say I'm the worst, cause I do my dirt and I don't be hiding this shit. Bitch, I'm a savage, I spit at you bastards, I wonder what you gonna do to me, oh. I need to hear some more rapping, I'm just not impressed by your cash and your jewelry, oh. All you my soldiers, and I'm a lieutenant, goddammit, you should be saluting me, ho. I hope you know I ain't going nowhere, all you rappers just better get used to me, ho. Nigga, I must have blew on my G's, bought me a Jeep, cause I wasn't riding as much. My bank account looking weak, don't look at me, I ain't got time for no fun. Starting to feel like Tyrese, I'm about to trip, and maybe start crying or something. I might just hit up the Smiths, throw me a fit, and wait for my wire to come. Ain't nobody ever show me love when I was coming up, I had to double up and tell these niggas buckle up before they ride. And they don't really wanna knuckle up, I hit them with the uppercut, I had these motherfuckers running for their lives. Unidentified craft when I'm flying past, I'm an alien standing, and if you look up in the sky, blow your mind back, push your eyes back to your iPad, I'm an Iraqi and suicide when the bombs are loaded and your mind exploded in the wind. And you gon' sit down, repent. I was raised in a sword. Me and the it clown are friends. Red balloons for your kids. Stick my tooth in your bitch. I lost too many friends. I don't do good with kids. What you know about riding dirty in the evening? What you know about ramen noodles in a pack of Saison seasoning? What you know about leaving the oven door open when there's no heat again? And the rent is due and your landlord trying to throw you out on the streets again. Nigga, I was always dreaming of a Bentley and a fucking Lamborghini. Wanna win, I'm gonna finally get a break. If I didn't get away before, I guarantee that if I talk to God, then I can say I got it when I pray. She don't really want me to get petty, turn the dime into a penny, but you know I got a lot of shit to say. I got just some water in a Henny, drink it up and let the semi shoot a pop you niggas all up in the face. Blood all up in the lake, I wanna see awake die. They don't wanna wait by, creep when I came by. Teeth like a canine, bleed through your Levi's. We from the east side, eat when the beef's hot. Teeth from the teapot, aim from the treetop. Bang to your knees pop, skirt in the Nissan, swerve in the 3 cops. You just a bird in a beehive, you just a cold in a room full of germs, nigga.